Week 2, Major Arcana Challenge. Today we'll strengthen the magician in you. This archetype represents creative power, conscious manifestation, and the ability to transform reality through intention, will, and available resources. We'll strengthen all aspects to fully embody the magician, aligning your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual energy. Listen to this strengthening for 1 week. Will strengthen your midline to receive, integrate, and express the magician's energies. Strong to connect with your innate creative power. Strong to feel, perceive, and intuit new ideas, forms, and paths. Strong to channel energy from higher planes to your physical reality. Let's strengthen that connection, removing blocks to divine inspiration and deep intuition. Let's erase memories and past experiences that make you doubt your manifesting ability. We're strengthening your energy channel for creativity to flow freely from the universal source without blockages. Be strong to accept that you've always been the creator of your life. You just didn't know how to manifest before. Be strong to unlock your hidden skills and talents. Be strong to efficiently use the tools at your disposal. Strengthen your body, mind, and spirit as tools for manifestation. We'll activate your hidden talents, removing any blockages inhibiting their full expression. Let's erase fear of failure and limiting beliefs that hide your true physical potential. We'll strengthen your ability to easily access resources for any situation. Empowering conscious manifestation. Let's align your energy with the magician, master of manifestation, strengthening in both directions. Empowering you to turn ideas into reality. Will boost your ability to manifest consciously. Erasing any programming of scarcity or struggle in your life. Removing subconscious patterns that create blockages or failure. Strengthening your present moment awareness to manifest clearly. Empowering you to make conscious, focused, purpose-aligned decisions. Let's strengthen the magician's will connection. Empowering your will to direct energy towards your goals. Strengthening your will to overcome indecision and procrastination. Let's clear away family, collective, and ancestral influences that have weakened your ability to focus clearly on your goals. We're strengthening your ability to stay steady and focused even when facing challenges or distractions. Empowering you to activate inner certainty that you can change any situation with everything under control when working in harmony with universal energies. We're aligning mind, body, and spirit in all possible combinations to level them with the archetypal energies of the magician. Strengthening you to be the bridge between the invisible and the visible. Empowering the alignment between your body, mind, and spirit. Strengthening them to work together in perfect harmony. We're erasing any dissonance between what you think, feel, and do, and reinforcing so that all your actions, thoughts, and emotions are aligned with your true self and purpose. Strong to link your subconscious with conscious intentions. Strong to remove self-sabotage that may derail your path. We bolster empowerment, confidence, and determination. We boost your confidence to stand firm in your own power. Let's erase past experiences that have shaken your confidence. We remove memories of humiliation, failure, or betrayal. Strong to see yourself as the creator of your reality. Strengthen your connection with your personal power. Strong for balanced, conscious use of your power. We build discernment to use your power for the greater good. Let's erase all external influences and energies that lead you to use your power selfishly or destructively. We erase memories of sorceries performed, seen, heard, and ordered. We erase pacts, vows, commitments, and contracts with dense, dark, or malevolent energies. We empower you to always act from a place of balance, justice, and love, knowing that every action impacts the world and your life. We strengthen the integration of your energy with the magician's energy so you can express your creativity, your confidence, will, and focus in every area of your life, in work, relationships, health, spiritual path, and time. We erase any resistance to fully embodying your power and manifesting your desired reality. We activate the magician's energy in every cell, your energy field, and subconscious mind. Be strong to live with mastery, conscious creation, and divine connection. Stay centered, balanced, and stable in your creative and manifesting power. Strengthen your physical, mental, emotional, psychic, and spiritual levels. We empower this archetype to help you turn ideas into reality through willpower. Cultivate a strong will for success. Act with integrity and responsibility. Balance your personal power with your spiritual purpose. Strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and geometries to 100%. We'll erase all that blocks you from integrating these archetypal energies. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?